In this short video, we're going to show you how to create an app, enable push notifications, and configure Firebase cloud messaging so that you can send push notifications to Android devices. Let's get started by creating an app for our home automation client. Fridgy will be used to alert you about your smart fridge. Once created, we will enable the push notifications feature for the app. Simply follow the prompts from Kumulos to turn on push. Now that's enabled, we'll look at how to set up push notifications for Android using FCM. Head over to the Firebase console to create a project. After setting up the project, locate the cloud messaging settings. Now copy the server key into the App Delivery Console FCM config dialog, like so. Hit configure and that completes server configuration. The next step is to set up Google services in your Android project. To begin, add an Android app to your Firebase project in the Firebase console. Now download the Google Services JSON file and drag it into your Android project. To complete the setup, add the Google Services plugin to your root project build.gradle's class path. Then add the plugin to your apps build.gradle. You can now send push notifications to Android apps with FCM. If you have any questions, please see our integration guide for further details, or drop us a line at support@kumulos.com.